This is Scott, and this is Dot. They have a pet. His name is Spot. Dot is a girl. Scott is a boy. Spot is a dog. Spot has a toy. Scott and Dot got the toy for Spot. Spot likes the toy he got a lot. Scott hides the toy in a big blue pot. They play a game of cold and hot. Where is the toy? Is it under the cot? Spot looks there. You are cold, says Scott. Where is the toy? Is the toy by Dot? Spot looks there. You are warm, says Scott. Where is the toy? Is it in the pot? Spot goes there. Now he is hot. Spot looks in the big blue pot. He gives the toy to Scott and Dot. Will they stop? No, they will not. Spot wants to play more cold and hot. The end.